Hello everyone, my name is Barasa. Ashama akkam jirtu ani Barasaadha. Dajaho Shibian. Salam ndenachu ini Barasa nኝ. Today we are going to continue our learning language classes. This is the part 4. Just follow me and you can learn it easily, okay? Let's go. Here, those 4 languages are English, Afaan, Oromoo, Chinese, and Amharic. Today, we will start from the sentence I am going now. When we speak in Afaan Oromoo, the sentence I'm going now, it will be translated, or Oromoo people used to say like this. Amma deemuu fani. Amma deemuu fani. Amma deemuu fani. Amma means now. Deemuu fani means I'm going. To represent the sentence or the phrase I'm going, we used to say deemuu fani. Amma deemuu fani. In case of Chinese, we used to say like this. 我现在就去。我现在就去。我 means I or me. 现在 means now. 就 means to represent a moment or as soon as or at the time, which is not so for long. 去 means going. However, in Chinese, there is 4 basic tones. Those tones are represented by putting on the syllables of main vowel. So I'm going to put those tones on the main vowels like this. 我 I'm going to put it on O. 我 then 现在 I'm going to put it above vowel A. 在 above vowel A. 就 above vowel I, because I is more precedes than U and is a main vowel in case of 就 chu on U. So when we read 我现在我现在就去我现在就去 like this. In case of Amharic, አሁን እሄዳለሁ አሁን እሄዳለሁ. The word አሁን means now. እሄዳለሁ means I'm going, just to represent the word I'm going. እሄዳለሁ. Now means አሁን አሁን እሄዳለሁ. Let's go on. Continue. Here, and this, do you want to leave early? Do you want to leave early? So when we speak in Afaan Oromoo, we used to say like this. Dursa deemuu barbaadda. Dursa deemuu barbaadda. The word dursa means to represent early. Deemuu means want to leave. Barbaadda means just to represent want, okay? So dursa deemuu barbaadda will be the same meaning with do you wanna to leave early? So in case of Afaan Oromoo, remember to say dursa deemuu barbaadda when you communicate with Oromoo people. So let's go on to the next Chinese. In case of Chinese, 你要早点走吗？你要早点走吗？ means 你 means you, 要 means want, 早 means early, 点 means to represent just to make it more a little, to make it near. So means leaving or going. Ma is a subtitle to represent for questionnaire or for interrogatives. So in case of this one, let me put it some tone. This word ni contains the third tone. Yo contains the fourth tone. Zao contains the third tone. Tia contains the third tone. And so contains the third tone. Ma no tone needed for him. So in case of Chinese, those four tones are represented like this. This is the first tone. This one is the second tone. This one is the third tone. This one is the fourth tone. When you read Chinese character, they will give for you different meaning whenever you pronounce it using different tones. Okay, so like this, ni means you, yao means want, 早点 means early, 什么 means going. Like this, practice again and you can learn it easily. In case of Amharic, ቀደም ብለው መውጣት ይፈልጋሉ። ቀደም ብለው መውጣት ይፈልጋሉ። ቀደም ብሎ መውጣት ይፈልጋሉ። ቀደም ብሎ መውጣት ይፈልጋሉ። ቀደም means early. ብሎ means just one. መውጣት means going. ይፈልጋሉ means need or want, like that. So let's continue to the next one. I will be back. I will be back. How to say I will be back in Afaan Oromoo? Deebi'ee nan dhufa. Deebi'ee nan dhufa. I will be back means deebi'ee nan dhufa. Deebi'ee means be back. Nan dhufa means I will be back soon, like that. I will be back soon or I will be back early means deebi'ee nan dhufa. Deebi'ee nan dhufa. In case of Chinese, 我会回来的。我会回来的。Here, I will put some tone on the pinyin syllables. 我 the third tone, 会 the fourth tone. Here, 回 the second tone, 来的 no tone needed in case of this sentence. Okay, case of this sentence. So when we read 我会回来的，我会回来的。When there is no tone on the syllables of Chinese pinyin, we read it softly and soundlessly, just slowly. No need to make it more strong. 我会回来的，我会回来的， like this. So let's see in Amharic. In case of Amharic, እመለሳለሁ. I will be back means እመለሳለሁ. 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 Like this. እመለሳለሁ. Don't worry. Just language is learning slowly. You can get it early and soon. Okay. Okay. Now the other word is okay. How to say okay in Afaan Oromoo? Means tole. Okay means tole. 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 It's easy, isn't it? Yeah, it's really easy. Tole. Tole. Just is okay. In case of Chinese, how da. How da. How. Like this. How da. 吃饭了没有？吃了，好啊。我请你吃饭，好啊。就这样 just like this. 好的 like this. 好 contain the third tone, 的 no tone. 好的，好，好的，好的 like this. In case of Amharic, you can say 是， just like this. It's also easy. Okay, it's just easy in these four languages. Like this. The last one will be, let's see. Last sentence of today is take care yourself. Take care yourself. In case of Afaan Oromoo, sometimes people say of eeggadhu. Of eeggadhu means just of kunuunsi. In other words, of kunuunsi means in English, take care of yourself, like that. Of eeggadhu. Of eeggadhu. Of eeggadhu. In case of Chinese, jiaogu ziji. Jiaogu ziji. Jiao contain the fourth tone, gu contain no tone, si contain the third tone, ji contains the third tone, like this. Jiao, this one. Jiao gu si ji. Jiao gu si ji. Or sometimes you can hear 照顾好自己 or sometimes you can hear 好好照顾自己 好好照顾自己 is also the same thing with take care of yourself, like that. So just again listen again and again, you can get it. Lastly, in case of Amharic, ራስህን ጠብቅ ራስህን ጠብቅ ራስህን ጠብቅ ራስህን አንከባክብ ራስህን ጠብቅ ካልጋችሁት በአማርኛ ውስጥ the way of saying take care of yourself in case of English. So if you have any question, comment, or any disappointment or any suggestion, you can write me on the blogs comment area, and you can don't forget to subscribe, share my videos. I hope you will learn it a lot from my tutorials. I will prepare more tutorial than this one, and don't worry, you can learn it easily. Take care of yourself and keep learning, study hard. See you next time. Bye bye. 再见